as a beginner, what affiliate programs do you need to join today and going into 2020? Well, in a previous video, I talked to you about high ticket affiliate programs and low ticket affiliate programs. But there's one more thing that you need to look into it that's gonna help you in the long way to make very good commissions. And you wanna know what it is? I'm gonna talk to you about it on this video. But first, you do know this, we're gonna hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time? And how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way. This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur Channel. Welcome yet again to another video. My name is Carlos and this is Digital Marketpreneur Channel, where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. And if you want me to create any videos about any questions that you have about making a business online or how to get started, I would love to create those videos and help you along the way. Now in this video, I want to talk to you about affiliate programs because they're very important, they're very key, and you have to understand where to start. Well, the problem is we all fall for the shiny object syndrome, which means that you look at an affiliate program and you go, oh well, they pay good commissions, and then you start promoting it, and then you see another one, and then you see other ones, and then you just completely lost. You get completely lost and you don't know where all the steps gotta go and where you need to go and where you need to start. So you need to concentrate on one, but you also need to know whether it's high ticket or low ticket. Make sure that the key to it is their monthly recurring programs. What I mean by that is make sure they're subscription-based programs, meaning every month somebody signing up for that affiliate program. They will keep that subscription for as long as you can. Keep them in there by giving them value, by teaching them why do they need these services, why it's gonna be very helpful for them to keep that monthly recurring payment going through their accounts and you getting the commissions, because it's gonna help them in the long run. Now, one of the biggest programs in how Amazon created a lot of money, it was the Amazon Prime subscription, because Amazon was selling a lot of products. Now, when you're an affiliate and you start selling products online and you have a product that is one sell and done, yes, you can hit those customers with your email marketing autoresponder and your email sequence for other products. But once you sell a product and they're gone, then that's it, you know. But if you have a monthly subscription, you know that if you have 5 people join that program and 5 people are worth to you $20 a month, that's $100 a month. You do know that every single month those people stay on that program, it's $100 a month that you will have in your pocket. With the difference with the other programs, if you make 5 to 6 sales because you getting a hot streak and people are purchasing those programs. Let's think about an Amazon shoes, and it's a high demand because everybody wants to lose weight at the beginning of the year, and you're promoting shoes in your blog post or anything or any social media outlet that you're using, you can get in that hot low. Now, what I'm trying to say is not this is bad. What I'm trying to say is like you can keep a steady income coming at the beginning, especially when you're a beginner. You're better along the way because you will have enough time to use that money, get better tools, maybe invest a little bit more on how you can scale your business as an affiliate, instead of you get 1 month of a lot of sales and then the next month you might not sell anything at all because your traffic source might dry it out, and then you have to go and try maybe Pinterest, or maybe you gotta go and try Facebook groups, or maybe you want to try Quora, right? But once the traffic dries out from any of those social media, or any way that you want to bring people through your affiliate links, if you have a monthly recurring service, then you know that's a steady income coming every month. Now, if you look at weight loss, for example, I'm gonna show you right here on my computer. There's something with weight loss, and you know, and I know that if you want to replenish your muscles after you break down the muscle tissue, you need supplements. And when you need quality protein, sometimes you don't have time to get home and eat that quality protein like chicken, turkey, or anything like that. But the fastest and easy way is by protein powders. Now, you don't need protein powders just for 1 month. If you are constantly working out throughout the year, like a lot of people do, you will constantly need to purchase those protein powders or pre-workouts or pills, to lose weight if you want to keep it. So if you find an affiliate program that has a recurring monthly subscription where people can get those products just mailed to them, like bodybuilding.com is one of the best ones that you can go to. It's a little hard to get, especially when you're a complete beginner, but there's other ones out there. So you also have hair loss, you got beauty people, girls will always need their makeup, let's see what else we can find here. Weight loss, well, that you got the market health program, affiliate program. This one is free to join, and they have all kinds of medicine or pills for losing weight, creams and stuff like that, and people will constantly keep coming back to these programs to purchase these services. Now, I have a document right here from and this is a white label. I'm gonna be giving this away on my courses coming next year, so you guys can take a look. There's a lot of membership affiliate programs. You got BPNs, social proofs, YouTube tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. If you buy that recurring income, if you buy that subscription, it's gonna be a monthly recurring income for you. So you teach them how to use those services for the YouTube channels, and they will buy. Then you got web hosting, which is one of the top affiliate programs you can actually start doing if that's the niche you want to go into it, because you need to keep your website on a monthly basis running on the internet, and you need to keep it for a while once Google start ranking you. Now, this is Side Hustle Nation. It's a blog post, and they have a 90+ best affiliate programs, and you have affiliate programs for social media management, for live chat, for WordPress, landing pages, hosting, marketing automation. Email marketing is another one. There's a monthly recurring service, and you can start with $15 a month if you have about 1,000 subscribers in your email list. And as your email started to grow, you will start paying a little more. That will mean more commissions for you. They have a best affiliate programs for cloud storage and backups. That's gotta be something that people need, especially now that everything's going in the cloud. So I want you to understand that when you're a beginner, and it doesn't matter what market you're going into it, what you need to know is what are the problems people are having on that specific market, because market is not a whole. Market is people that are having problems, and where are they hanging out? Where are they going to look for these solutions? This is where you come in. You go research, see where they go. Their social media, they're in YouTube, they are searching the internet constantly, and then you go and find these programs that people are looking for, and you listen to what they have to say. You create your content, and you guide them through these services. And once they buy that subscription, that you're gonna try to keep them in there for as long as possible, so you keep getting that monthly recurring income. And eventually, if you get 10, 15, 20, 30 people, depending on how much the commissions are on those services, you can replace your actual full-time income and work from home, which is the dream of everyone. But you gotta give people the value. You gotta tell them why do they need these services, and you will get paid for helping people avoid any problems that they have. Also, you gotta remember that if you have an email autoresponder, you might have some other products and you can hit them with that. Send an automation, send an email campaign and let them know, you know what, there's a new service that will complement this one where you already subscribe to it, and if you subscribe to this other one, there's a special discount. You know Amazon always runs a special discounts every single time for a lot of products. So if you go into Amazon Associates and you get them to subscribe and you push the Prime subscription program, you know that people are gonna have their products that they order from Amazon free of shipping. So if you go in and you do reviews on books, of Kindles, maybe electronics or home goods, or as you can see, they got the Fire Stick. If you teach them that, now you got a VPN, which is a virtual private network, meaning that when people use this service on a monthly basis, every time they log into the internet, their IP address is hidden. So this is a monthly subscription, and this one can go good with the Fire Stick, which is a completely different affiliate. It's a complete different market. If you guys can go research it for yourselves on YouTube, but it's just an example so you guys can think outside the box, where you can tell people, well, you need your Fire Stick and you can use the VPN service, which is a monthly subscription. And also, if you want to purchase Amazon products, whatever is the category that you decide to go in, you tell them, well, you can get these products at a special discount if you order them with Amazon Prime. You will get free shipping, and I will also let you know when there's discounts coming from Amazon, and you can purchase through my link with a very special discount. Just give it to me by Amazon. You know, just thinking outside the box. Like, the more research that you do, the more you get to do this every single day, the more you learn a few of the marketing ideas that you can use to promote these services. But you need to get started today, because if you don't, you're never gonna get anywhere. And if you fall into the shiny object syndrome, where you want to promote 30 different things at once, and you don't concentrate on like a very simple outline of products, which, you know, if you want to do 3, make sure that the 3 complement each other, and at least one of them should be a subscription based product, so you have that baseline of knowing every month you are gonna get that X amount of money coming into your account due to commissions from your customers. So with that being said, guys, I hope that this video helps you a lot to get started with affiliate marketing, that you understand that this is one of the best things that you can do to get started, especially when you are a beginner. Amazon Associates and some of these other lifetime recurring services are free to join. All you gotta do is create your content, help people understand why do they need these products, and how good are they to solve any of the problems that they have. So with that being said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe right there. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button, and stay tuned for the first quarter of 2020. I'm coming with my course, and in the next couple of videos, I'm gonna give you a roadmap of what that course is gonna look like. I want to know how many of you are interested in it. Give me a thumbs up if you are. Also leave it in the comment sections, because it's only gonna be a few people that I gotta let in to get my beta test, and I will reach out to every single one of you that actually do, so we can get in the same page, and you guys understand what this course is and what the course is not gonna be. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.